Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn photos into an Instagram reel. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing we're going to do is opening our Instagram profile. So we can tap on this profile button to open our profile. Then we can select a post that we want to turn into an Instagram reel. Make sure that you select multiple photos on your post. So I'm going to select this one, so we can tap on the post. Then we can tap on this three dots button on the post right here, and there will be several options for us, and we can simply tap on create a reel from this post. Okay, and just wait for a moment guys, it's still loading. Okay, and if you want to add a music to your reel, you can select the music right here. But if you want to skip this step, you just need to click on skip. Then for example, I'm just going to select this music, and after that we can tap on the next button. Okay, and wait for a moment, it's still processing. Okay, and we can edit the reel before we upload this reel to our Instagram. We can add text, sticker, we can also add filter, and after we're done, we just need to click on next. Alright, and wait for a minute. Okay, and we can write a caption on our reel. We can also tag people, add location as well, and after we're done, we can click on share. Okay, and now the Instagram reel is being shared to our Instagram, and just wait until the process has been completed. Okay, now as you can see that the reel has been uploaded to our Instagram. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn photos into a reel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.